This design is called Rift. It features a walnut top that's made up of two slabs held together by 6 butterfly keys. These are both structural and decorative, and they allow you to see through the top from the underside as well as down through the top. So the first design that I came up with here is pretty boxy. It's got a heavy base, it's drawing most of the emphasis there, but I think it is a pretty well-rounded design. It doesn't look too out of place with the slab top, and it features this floating top, which gives it a little bit of a lighter look and draws some visual interest to that connection there. The next design that I came up with is completely different and a bit more angular. This is going to be your modern, really unique design. Anyone who looks at this is going to know darn well that it's handmade and it's a unique piece. I really like this design. I think it's a light base. It kind of keeps most of the interest on the top while still being something nice to look at. This is definitely my favorite of the three. And the third design that I came up with is just a classic shaker style design. It features some tapered legs and some nice long stretchers and an offset top. This is going to be the most classic looking, the most timeless, and it'll blend in best with a house full of normal furniture. But then again, it'll look the least handmade. It's kind of a boring design in my opinion, but it's a classic and it works. So these are the three designs that I came up with for this top. Design 1, Design 2, and Design 3. Thanks for checking it out.